what the fuck you wanna do.
Say what, say what, say what, say what.
Say what the fuck you wanna say.
And what did it all mean?
Say what you want, hold your throne.
And if you know it, sing along.
You make decisions on your own. Yeah. No one would suffer but you. So do what the fuck you wanna do.
Now everybody's got elders and you should respect them. They've been through similar shit, but then again you can't let them put their hands on your life like a remote control. Have you traveling down the same bumpy co-up road? Close friends and relatives that should be constantly by your side. And understand you got to let your conscience be your guide, because there finally comes a time for yourself you must decide. Cause you only get one ticket, might as well enjoy the ride.
Do what the fuck you wanna do.
Yeah. Oh, son, if you with me, son.
Say what the fuck you wanna say.
Yeah.
Hey, you gonna do it anyway, say.
Do what the fuck you wanna do.
Say what, say what.
Go ahead and just
Say what the fuck you wanna say.
what did it all mean? Mean.